in this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your Focusrite to your iPad. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna make sure is you know which iPad and Focusrite model you're using because the cable setup matters. If your iPad has a USB-C port, you'll be using like the newer iPad Pro or maybe the iPad Pro models. The process is very simple. You just need a USB-C to USB-A cable or a USB-C cable itself, depending on your Focusrite, of course. Now you're gonna plug one of these cables into the Focusrite and the other end directly into the iPad. And for most newer Focusrite interfaces, the iPad will recognize it instantly without installing any drivers. Now, however, if you're using an older iPad model with a Lightning port, you will need Apple's Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter, which is right here. This one. Here, you will plug the adapter into the iPad first. Using this part, you'll plug this into the iPad and then connect the Focusrite to the adapter using a USB cable, either it be this or again this, either it be a USB-C or a USB-C to USB-A cable, whatever, either one works, depending on your Focusrite model. Now, on the side of the adapter, connect a charger to the Lightning power port because Focusrite interfaces usually need extra power and won't work reliably without it. Once powered, the iPad should automatically detect the interface. Now, after the physical connection is done, you want to plug your microphone or whatever instrument into the Focusrite and connect your headphones or speakers to the Focusrite's output and not the iPad. Turn up the gain slowly while speaking into the microphone or playing your instrument, and make sure to gain halo or indicator lights stay green and don't turn red. This confirms your audio is coming through correctly. And lastly, you want to open an audio app or the iPad, maybe such as GarageBand or BandLab or any recording or streaming app that supports external audio interfaces. Inside the app's audio settings, you want to select Focusrite as the input and the output device. Once selected, your microphone or instrument audio will now pass through the Focusrite instead of the iPad's built-in microphone. And at this point, your Focusrite is fully connected to the iPad and ready to use for recording music. And that's how you connect a Focusrite audio interface to an iPad quickly and properly. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helps you guys out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.